Hello, sir. Good evening.
Hello, call me Mandal.
Yes, sir. I'm PAULAMI Mandal.
Okay, now I can see you. So, as I have your DAF, okay, so you are from North,
Sir, I am from Kolkata.
place of birth is North 24 Parganas
Parganas.
district.
Yes.
Do you know some special things about this district?
Sir, this district is very near to the Bangladesh, and the Ichamati River, which goes through this district, which also goes through the Bangladesh country, and and um, this district is a part of Gangetic Delta, and
Do you know that this district is the most populated district in the India?
what, sir?
This your district, North 24 Parganas, is the
Yes, sir.
most populated district in India.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir. I didn't know that.
Okay, see this thing. And some
Okay.
really good facts. Okay, and this is your city. So, is there any illegal activities going on in that along that border?
Sir, recently, I have seen in news that some illegal border crossing is happening in the India-Bangladesh border, and that's what I have seen.
So, what do you think? What measures can be taken to avoid such practices?
Sir, increase the security in the border area, and that I think is there, but um, uh, the security should be increased, and observation uh, uh, with the observation with the satellite images should be increased or frequent,
Hmm.
and um, that should be helpful
Okay.
in
So,
that.
is there any fencing that has been there? Fencing is there.
Sir, I'm not sure about that.
You never visited. Is that border
No.
is far away from your house?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Actually, there is one remedy that they are putting beehives. They're
Okay. Okay.
they are putting beehives along that border. So if there illegal activity is there, illegal crossing is there. So you will see that bees, maybe they don't sting the person who is trying to cross, but at least people or the BSF will get alerted because
Yes,
of
sir.
that. And it is like a natural signaling someone has crossed. So it is a natural sensor that they have placed. It is
Yes, sir.
a good remedy. Okay, cheap good remedy that is there. And your extracurricular is painting.
Yes.
Painting, what type of painting?
Sir, I mostly do acrylic painting in canvas, and I have done watercolor, pastel color, etc.
Acrylic painting you have, you like to do.
Yes.
Have you participated any competitions?
Yes, sir. In my childhood, I participated many competitions, but after my 10th class, I have stopped.
Why you stopped?
Sir, because of the study pressure, or the teacher was not available at that time.
Teacher is not available at that time.
Yes.
So you should take some painting type of credits in your higher secondary. And college
Uh,
you used to do painting.
Sir, painting I till today I do. Now I try to learn from YouTube or internet.
Mhm. So which painter you admire the most?
What, sir?
Artist, I would say. Artist.
Yes, sir. Sir, can you please repeat the question? I couldn't understand.
I'm asking you which artist you admire the most in this domain.
Uh, Sir, there are many actually. Mm, Sir, Pablo Picasso, I like his painting, but currently I can't remember his renowned painting. But he used to paint in box pattern something that I like, and I also like the painting of Sir.
Okay, no issues. So Rabindranath Tagore, you can give example. He is also a very good painter.
Yes, sir.
Composer, philosopher, and as well as very good painter also.
Yes.
You can give many examples. Should learn some famous examples from world, from India,
Okay.
from Bengal. Hmm?
Okay, sir.
Because I've seen Bengalis are culturally enthusiastic very much. So you will find a lot of examples, lot of role models. Definitely, they will ask you about your role models. If you have
Uh,
mentioned any hobby, telling you this thing, they will definitely ask you about your role models. What are they?
okay, sir.
Any specialty of that role model that you personally admire, that you personally like to follow and implement on yourself. Hmm?
Okay.
See this thing.
Okay.
See, so you are from Bengal also. So why every time there's a high frequency of cyclone and Bengal is one of the states that is highly affected by these seasonal cyclones?
Sir, due to the presence of the Bay of Bengal, just West Bengal is a coastal city, and the Bay of presence of Bay of Bengal, and mostly the cyclones comes from this part, and I think also the coastal uh, the map of coast. I think the coastal border, that is also a cause for that.
Coastal border. Coastal border is also along with your Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, but they are not affected. Why Bengal is highly affected? If you see the number of casualties, if you see the amount of loss that has happened, then Bengal top the list.
Yes, sir.
What do you think? What it could be? Not proper management. You should think from other perspective also. There may be some states cyclone is very common, but they have took measures to prevent that. Okay, your answer should be holistic. You should think from each and every perspective. If it is only in Bengal, then obviously cyclone is affecting each and every state. But
Yes, sir.
whether NDRF is the nodal agency for this national disaster fund. Hmm. So whether it is alerting those that in your area, whether this is alerting properly. Hmm? What is the measures taken by the state government? You can also give an example that you have Sundarban deltas.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And, so there is a storm surge that happens every time along with the cyclone, and the water level rises. And so because there's a mangrove type setup that is there, so that this type of trees try to slow down that storm surge. Unless there would be a very deeper penetration that would affect the local population that is there, especially the fishermen.
Yes.
So you should give some examples. If I'm talking about there's a huge loss, then it means that the people are not prepared properly for the cyclone. Cyclone is coming in each and it is affecting Bengal, it is affecting Odisha, it is affecting Andhra. The eastern coast of India is prone to cyclones. Okay, think from that. It is a very see some common some recent cyclones, names of recent cyclones. Think about
Yes,
it.
sir.
Okay, okay. This is all from my side. Next to you, ma'am.
Hello, Paulmi. Am I
Uh,
audible to you?
yes, yes.
Okay, Paulmi. So, first of all, tell me what is the meaning of your name?
The meaning of my name is Ray of Sun.
Okay. Ray of sun and peace.
Uh,
There is peace also.
I'm not sure about that. Ray of Sun that I know, and Lord Indra's wife, I think.
Okay. Okay, nice. Okay, so, Paulmi, can you
Y-
tell us in which environment synthesis crack is formed?
in which environment synthesis crack is formed? Okay, in subaqueous environment.
Pardon, please, again.
Subaqueous environment.
Okay. And how this synthesis crack is formed exactly? Can you explain the process?
Uh, because of the gas trapped in the sediment, they try to escape from that, and that's why the cracks are formed.
Hmm, not too correct. Okay. Okay, so another crack which is desiccation crack. Okay, so how
Yes,
this crack is formed?
this crack is formed in subaerial exposure because of the drying of water from that sediment, and pr- that's why it is formed. And mm, yes,
Okay, why desiccation crack is known as sun crack?
uh, can you please repeat?
Why desiccation crack is also known as the sun's crack?
Because it happens due to the exposure under the sun.
Okay, nice. Okay, so what do you mean by allostratigraphic unit?
Uh, I'm not very sure about that, but can I guess?
Yes,
I think uh, the allostratigraphic unit is the part that was not in situ.
please repeat.
The allostratigraphic unit is that which was not in situ from the beginning.
No. Okay, so please check this, the meaning of
Okay,
allostratigraphic unit.
okay, okay.
Okay,
I'll read about it.
right. So my next question, the grain size sorting is extremely poor. So which case we have this kind of grains?
Grain size sorting is extremely poor. That can be happen in glacial environment, and if any tectonic activity is there, then various sizes of grain will be deposited due to it, and glacial environment is there, and also landslide can also produce this type of thing.
Right, right. Okay, so can you name any river dominating delta?
Ganges delta. Oh, no, no, sorry. It is tide dominated Ganges delta. River dominated, yes, I know. Uh, Mississippi Delta.
Mm, right, right. Okay, so what are the primary stratigraphic traps?
Uh, Primary stratigraphic trap.
Right.
The trap due to the change of lithology, like if I find basalt after the sandstone unit, and the sandstone will be the reservoir, and the basalt will be the trap for that petroleum, and mm, and primary means it should be during the time of deposition or just after the deposition.
Okay. Okay, so my next question. Can you name any gas hydrate deposit of India?
Sorry, ma'am, I have to read about that.
Okay, you know about gas hydrate?
Yes, a little bit.
Okay. So, what are the necessary conditions for formation of gas hydrate?
Uh, Low temperature, I think,
Okay. And
and
what about pressure?
a high pressure.
Okay. Okay. So, please define microlithotype.
Microlithotype of coal. Okay. Uh, Microlithotype of coal is, I think, the macerals are the vitrinite, vitrin, durin, clarin, and fusen. These are of four types. And hello,
Okay. Yes, yes. Continue.
am I
Yeah, you are
okay?
audible.
Okay. Uh, Microlithotypes of coal are the macerals, and these are all four types: vitrin, durin, clarin, and fusen. And vitrin has the um, highest amount of vitrin is the bright dark color, and fusen is the oxidated state, and
Okay. Okay, you know about salt dome.
yes,
Okay, so why salt dome is so important for petroleum industry?
it makes a type of trap for the petroleum.
Okay, so can you explain the whole process of formation of salt dome? Like why this structure is formed?
Uh, uh, Salt dome, I'm not really sure about that, but I think it is formed due to the uh, sorry, ma'am, I have to read about that.
Okay, Paul me, no problem. Okay, so how you can differentiate between cleat and joint?
Okay. Cleats are found in coal bed, I think, and joint is a structural part that is formed due to the very less or no amount of uh, movement between the rock, and
Okay,
that's why.
and-
Are
okay. So
cleats
what are the right, right? Okay.
Clades are also like the same, and it is found in coal, and we can also find coal bed methane in clade. Okay.
Okay. It means heat is also play important role in CBN, right?
Yes.
Okay. So what are the different types of clay?
I think two types. Uh,
Okay. Please name them.
Face cleat and uh, face cleat, which is parallel, uh, uh, and there is one perpendicular
But
to it,
clay.
but
That is
decay.
but. Okay.
Yes, yes.
So you know about the master clay?
No, ma'am, I am not aware of that.
Okay. So that's it for me from my side. Over to the sir. Okay. All the best.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hello, PAULAMI.
Hello, sir.
Okay. Am I audible completely?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So do we start then?
Okay.
Okay, PAULAMI. Tell me, what is your favorite subject?
Sir, I am not. I actually don't have any favorite subject, but I am little bit inclined towards paleontology and sedimentology.
Say paleontology and sedimentology. Okay. Okay, PAULAMI. Can you tell me what is Walther law?
Walther's law.
Yeah.
Okay. If any the vertical succession will be equal to the horizontal one, if they are in same time.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay. Tell me what is the basic difference between a quartz arenite and wake?
so quartz arenite is more than 90% quartz will be there, and quartz okay, there will be more than 15% of the matrix will be there, and in quartz arenite the matrix percentage is less than 15%.
Very good. Okay, PAULAMI. What is Arcos?
So arcos are made up of feldspar, and the percentage of feldspar should be more than 25%.
Okay. Can you tell me what kind of grading we will found in the point var settings, point var or delta deposit?
Okay. So I think normal grading will be there.
Where? Point var or delta?
So point bar.
Okay. And delta?
Mm. So delta, I think reverse grading.
Okay. Can you tell me some like phenomena that this reverse grading occurs? Why this reverse grading?
Uh, Sir, it is happen in Aeolian condition, and when the uh, small grains small grains deposited earlier, and the because it is being carried out by air, and that is easier to carry, and then lastly when the heavier grains fall uh, from the top of the dune, when it cannot carry that anymore.
Then you said it was aeolian deposits. How it occurs in the delta region?
Uh, Sir, actually, I'm not sure about that. I thought that due to the uh, um, closeness of the ocean or sea, there will be higher amount of small grains, and that's why I thought from land towards the ocean it will be from reverse grading.
Okay. It's generally a dispersive pressure and kinetic sieving mechanism because sometimes there will be very coarse grain. In between them, there is gap. In there, the final will be settled to the bottom part. Okay. That's why coarse will be on the above and bottom final will be on the bottom part. Okay. 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 You like structural geology?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me what is a pure shear deformation and what is a simple shear deformation?
Sir, in pure shear deformation, the lines parallel to the axis uh, will not get rotated. And in simple shear deformation, there will be a angular shear working with that, and the lines parallel to the axis will get rotated and also get deformed.
Okay. Okay. Can you tell me in like in mountain building or in collisional zone, what kind of shear we will get?
Sir, mountain building or collision zone. Okay.
Mhm. Okay. It's pure shear. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Just tell me, what is a recline fold?
Uh, Sir, reclined fold where the um, um, fold axis axial plane is inclined and the fold axis is perpendicular to the strike of that axial plane.
Mhm. Mhm. Okay. It's right actually because the axial plane will be there. Okay. And the line will be perpendicular to the strike.
Yes,
You
sir.
said. Okay. Can you just more clarify it?
Sir, reclined fold is a type of inclined fold where the axial plane will be inclined and the fold axis will be go along the deep direction of that axial plane.
Okay, you said Excel plane dips. Okay, how much angle nearly?
Uh, Sir, nearly 90 degree.
90-degree Excel plane. It's a vertical fold then.
Oh, axial plane inclination.
Yeah. Okay. 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 Can you tell me on the basis of bedding and cleavage relation, which one is which limb of the overturned fold is a normal limb, which is a overturned limb?
Sir, can you please repeat the question? I couldn't
On the
understand.
basis of bedding and cleavage relationship. Okay.
Hmm.
Can you identify which limb of a overturned fold is normal limb and which one is your overturned limb?
Sir, from the age of the beddings and where in the normal limb, normal limb, the newer will be at the, in case of anticline, the newer will be newest strata will be at the bottom, and the oldest strata will be at the core. And the for the overturned limb, the newest one will be at the top, and the oldest one will be at the core.
Okay, you should go through it. Okay,
Okay,
it's
sir.
in the MP Billings book. You have MP Billings book.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you should go through it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Tell me, in subduction zone, okay, which phases we will get? Metamorphic phases.
Okay. Uh, so green cyst faces mostly.
In subduction zone,
Oh, okay. Uh,
it's
sir, Barovian sequence will be there, and
Barrovian sequence will be there. It's medium pressure temperature phases series. Barrovian. I'm asking which
yes,
phases, like blue cyst, eclogoid, green cyst, amphibolite, granulite.
yes. Higher pressure and low temperature should be there. Then, blue cyst should be there.
Exactly. Okay. Which mineral, the mineral assemblages of the blue cyst phases?
Uh, sir, it is sir. I think I have just forgot it. I should go through it again.
Okay. It's glaucophin and
Glaucophin.
lawsonite.
Yes,
Lawsonite.
sir. Yes.
This glaucophin will impart blue color to the
Yes.
rock.
Yes.
It's a amphibole. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Follow me. Tell me. You like mineralogy? Can I ask from
Yes,
mineralogy? Or tell me
yes.
from where you want me to ask you questions? Which subject?
Sir, mineralogy is okay.
Mineralogy. Okay. 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 Follow me. Tell me what is a flash figure in interference figure? Flash figure.
Okay. Uh, when the optic axis is in more than 90-degree angle with the stage, or I think it is parallel to the stage. That's when
Pa-
the flash figures.
Parallel to the stage. Exactly. Okay.
Yes.
Uh, can we study the properties like optical properties of rock, sorry, minerals in this flash figure?
Mm, sir, it is difficult.
Okay. Then which figure is important, or which figure is suitable to study the optical properties of the minerals?
Sir, optic axis perpendicular section will be better.
Exactly. And what is the optic axis of a mineral? Which axis?
Optic axis is the axis that along which uh, the um, 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 ray doesn't divide into E ray or O ray, and from optic axis is perpendicular to that section where the mineral seems isotropic in nature.
Okay, but Mendel has three axes, na? A, B, C
Yes,
axis. And in a
yes,
hexagonal, we have four axes, I think.
yes.
Okay.
Mm.
Out of this A, B, and C axis, which axis is the optic axis?
Uh, Sir, C axis,
C axis. It is mostly present at the longer side of the mineral.
longer side. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, follow me. Last question from my side. Okay. Okay. Tell me in the you have read rock mechanics or kinematics of rock deformation?
Yes, sir, little bit.
Little bit. Okay. Okay, just tell me how a rock deforms.
So due to stress and the rock gets strained and uh, the volume changes or the shape of the rock changes.
Okay. Then if you are getting a like confining pressure, okay. Suppose we have a confining pressure. Below we have more confining pressure, right? At going to the depth, we get more confining pressure due to overburden.
Yes.
Okay. Suppose in a case the confining pressure is very high, as in a case two there is a low confining pressure. Okay, where it is easy to difficult the rock.
Sir, can you please repeat the
You have,
last part?
you have two options in case one, case two. In case one, we have
Yes.
high confining pressure. In case two, we have low confining pressure. Okay,
Yes.
in which case it is easy to deform the rock.
Sir,
Okay, Paulami. Okay, this is from my sides, and it's the answer is in the low confining pressure. It is easy to deform
yes.
the rock. Okay, because it is the differential stress that breaks the rocks, and differential stress is the sigma 1 minus sigma 3.
Sigma
Okay,
3.
when the sigma 3 will be high, we need much more sigma 1 to deform the rock. When the sigma 3 will be low, we will need very small amount of sigma 1 to deform the rock. Okay, it is in the brittle zone the confining pressure is low, the ductile zone it is high. Okay, thank you.
It is fine. Thank you.
Hello, Palmi.
Yes, sir.
So, what do you think about your interview?
Sir, I think I have to go through the basics a little bit more. I have,
Since you have said that you don't have any favorite subjects,
yes, sir.
okay, that doesn't mean you should have a favorite subject. That means that for the interview, which subjects you have prepared well.
Sir, sedimentology.
Okay, so you should be confident in sedimental also. Some basic terminologies. No one is going to ask you about the research related concepts, but the fundamentals, whatever the syllabus of mains and prelims is there, at least go through that once.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Any
Okay,
other
sir.
suggestions?
Uh, uh, yes.
Okay,
Am I-
Paulami. Okay, we are looking very stressed when just answering the questions. Be confident. Laugh. They are there to select you. Okay, they are sitting there, the interview panelists, to select you. Okay, they are just. It's a PT personality test. Why are you so tensed? Like it's a exam. Okay, just calm. And as the sir suggested, you always choose some subjects where you have a good hold or where which you can prepare well. Okay, and when choosing those subject you should know that questions from will come from the various angle from that subject, and as you have chosen this subject you should answer all the questions. Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this is from my suggest side. Okay.
Sir, actually, I am doing PhD in paleontology, invertebrate paleontology, but I have studied it little bit, but it is, but the syllabus of it is very memorizing. So, and I am more comfortable in sedimentology. So, sir, can I say that sedimentology is my favorite subject
Yeah.
there?
you are
Yes.
doing
Okay, sir.
PhD in vertebrate paleontology from
Invertebrate
from
paleontology.
IIT Kharagpur only. You haven't.
No, sir. Presidency University.
As a Presidency University, you haven't mentioned that in your def.
Sir, actually, at that time, I have not joined there
Okay, you have joined recently.
recently.
Then they are not going to ask much questions because you have joined recently only, no?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.